Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got an awesome fresh trade that just came in. It's a 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless, and this thing is completely loaded, as you can see here. Twin white matching Mercury 200 outboards, white matching power pole, full sea deck throughout, full electronics package, even has the dive door and the blue hull color. There is nothing that you need to add to this boat. We got a electronics package here from Garmin, dual 12-inch screens with matching an integrated VHF system, Fusion waterproof radio. We've even got an independent standalone display for our engine management data, trim tabs. Moving forward, nice size head here in the center console, right behind our monster garage and sun lounger here with space for two. We're gonna pop this open for you real quick. Check that out. Tons of room. We've got dedicated storage for buckets. You can hold up to 4 scuba tanks in here, or 5 pass-through fishing rods all the way back into the center console that locks. Underneath we've got our bow filler, so it can be a casting deck or just add to your sun lounging space. Lots of seating up here on the sides. Finally, as we move front, we've got another boarding ladder under the hatch here to get on and off the beach if you're out there for a day with the family instead of a day out fishing. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. My information is listed right there below. Thanks for watching.